Maya Patel sat at her kitchen table staring at a pile of bills. At 32, she was a single mother to her 6-year-old daughter, Priya, and worked 2 jobs just to make ends meet. Her parents had struggled financially their entire lives, and Maya was determined to break the cycle. But how? She had no savings, no investments, and no idea where to start. One evening, while scrolling through her phone, Maya stumbled upon a podcast about financial planning. The host spoke about creating generational wealth, not just for oneself, but for future generations. Intrigued, Maya began researching. She learned about budgeting, emergency funds, and the power of compound interest. She realized that even small, consistent steps could lead to significant change over time. Maya started by creating a budget. She tracked her expenses, cut unnecessary spending, and set aside a small amount each month for savings. It wasn't easy, but she reminded herself of her goal: to give Priya a better future. Within a year, she had built a modest emergency fund. Next, Maya opened a retirement account and started contributing a small percentage of her income. She also invested in a low-cost index fund, something she had learned about through her research. She knew she wouldn't see immediate results, but she trusted the process. As the years passed, Maya's financial situation improved. She earned a promotion at her primary job, which allowed her to save and invest more. She also started a side hustle selling handmade jewelry online, which brought in extra income. She used some of this money to open a college savings account for Priya. Maya didn't stop there. She wanted Priya to understand the value of money and the importance of financial planning. She began teaching her daughter simple lessons, like saving a portion of her allowance and distinguishing between wants and needs. On Priya's 10th birthday, Maya gifted her a small stock portfolio explaining how investments could grow over time. By the time Priya graduated high school, Maya's efforts had paid off. The college savings account had grown enough to cover most of Priya's tuition, and the investments Maya had made years earlier had significantly appreciated. Priya, who had grown up watching her mother's discipline and determination, decided to major in finance. She wanted to help others achieve financial freedom, just as Maya had done for their family. Years later, Priya became a financial advisor. She used her knowledge to guide families from all walks of life, helping them create plans for generational wealth. Maya, now retired, watched with pride as her daughter carried on the legacy she had started. The ripple effect of Maya's initial steps had grown into a wave of financial stability and empowerment for her family and beyond. By Money Healthcare.